What are you going to do if your hard drive dies? Or you just bought a new hard drive and you need to put Windows on it? Come with me. I'll show you what to do.
Vulture attack!
All right, this is what I need you to do. I need you to get a flash drive. It's got to be at least 8 gigabytes, okay? Then head over to, here it comes right now, www.microsoft.com/en dash US /software a dash download / Windows 10. Do that. I'll wait a second. Good. Now, why are you going there? Why are you bothering Microsoft? Why are you wasting your time doing this? If you're still rocking one of those old school hard drives before those SSDs, the ones that actually spin around, if you're still rocking one of those, could fail, right? They're not going to last forever. You need to get yourself a new SSD. When you're ready, get yourself a new SSD. If you want a super fast one, grab one of those NVMe, the M.2 port, little chumpy, super fast. Get him. All right. So if you want to migrate and just start fresh, you get a new hard drive, you want to start fresh. I backed up my stuff over here. It's on another hard drive. It's on another USB something or other. I got all my pictures. I got my photos from my camera. I just want to start fresh. My computer was running a little slow. Half the crap on there is not even there anymore. I want to start fresh. Fresh thing of Windows. Or, what do? My hard drive just died. I can't now go on to Microsoft.com and get the creation tool. You got to have it. You got to have it ready, waiting for the rainy day when you need it. How do you do it? How do you make it? Super duper simple. You need USB thumb drive, 8 gigabytes or more. With how cheap they are, get a bigger one. You use it. 8 gigabytes or more. You'll see halfway down this page, if you're rocking Windows 10, which I am. I'm sure this works for other Windowses, but Windows 10, just do it. Halfway down the page, you'll see Create a Windows 10 Installation Media. Okay? That's what you want. Now it's going to say Download Tool Now. If you want to read some more, you can. There's a couple pluses there. The second one is what we're going to be doing. Using a tool to create installation media to install Windows 10 on a different PC. Or it doesn't have to be a different PC. It could be a new hard drive, right? We're trying to think toward the future. Is my hard drive getting old? Could it die? Let's have something ready to put a freshy Windows on so we're not out of luck. Are you thinking about upgrading soon and you want to rock a fresh install? Let's think ahead now. Get ahead of it. All right. So we're going to hit Download Tool Now. Super simple. Save it on your computer somewhere. Click on that. Once you have done that, depending on your internet speed, you will see something called Media Creation Tool 2004.exe. Get there, and we're going to click on that together. All right, now you're going to double click Media Creation Tool 2004.exe. I guess they haven't updated. They've had to have updated it, or we're going to Windows 10 now. Here we go. That little box is going to pop up. Yes, it's so annoying. They should get rid of that. It's going to pop up. Getting a few things ready. Oh, this is a very exciting video, but it's must do. You got to have this in your bag of tricks. Get an 8 gig, if that's all you want to use this for. Do this little process, put it aside, and when the day comes, you'll say, Josh, thank you. Thank you, Vulture Tech, for making this video. All right, look. Applicable notices and license terms. Yada, yada. You want to read it? I don't. I'm going to hit accept. Getting a few things ready. All right. Let's get those few things ready. Maybe we'll pump in some music right now. We'll get those few things ready together. Get those few things ready together. We'll get those few things. Oh, you hear that thunder? Storm's coming in. Good. All right, now it's going to ask you, upgrade this PC now. That's not what we're going to do. Second one, we're going to click on Create Installation Media. USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. This tutorial right now is for the USB. I'm not burning images onto a CD and doing that. You can do that. You want to play with it? Be my guest. Today we're going to create installation media using a USB flash drive. I'm going to hit next. It's going to ask what language, what edition, what architecture. Use the recommended options for this PC. I'm going to let yes. Hit next. Now it says choose which media to use. If you want to install Windows 10 or another partition, you need to create and then run the media to install it. Pretty self-explanatory. All right. Are we doing a ISO file? No, I'm not doing any burning. Who does that? Not me. USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. Says it right there. Let's click next. Select a USB flash drive. And on your thing, it'll have boom, boom, da boom, da boom, boom. You'll click it. Here, I don't have one plugged in. Let's plug one in so we can all follow right along. Oh, get in there, guy. Now I stuck mine in mid thing, so on the list, it's like, what are you doing, guy? So I have to hit refresh drive list. Now you'll see my J drive is plugged in. Hit next. Downloading Windows 10. Good. Feel free to keep using your PC. Okay. Now that we're downloading it, I'm not going to make you sit through that. Once the download has been completed, it's going to install on your little hard drive. You're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4. Just let it do it. You don't even need to know what's in here, but if you want to know what's in here, it's going to create 4 folders. One called boot, one called EFEI, one called sources, one called support. You don't need to know that. I'm just telling you in case you wanted to know that. If you were to go in there, you would now see a setup.exe, boot manager, those things like that. At this point, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I now have the means to put Windows 10 onto another hard drive using this. Windows 10's on here. It's on here for whenever I need it. I don't need it now. I'm just making the video. But if I did need it, the next step. How do you do next? What do you do next? Well, you take out your old hard drive if it just died. You take your brand new hard drive if you just went to the store and bought a new one. Take out everything old. Get rid of that old hard drive. Get rid of whatever you were using. Connect your hard drive just as you would, just as the other one was attached. Put this in. Push the power button on that PC. Hold delete down, or if the thing comes up and it says, how to get into the system BIOS. Maybe it's F10, maybe it's delete. Hit those buttons. Bing, 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 bing. Now you'll go down. I can't show you for every option because I have an AORDIS, and that's going to be different than a gigabyte. It's going to be different than every other one. You're going to go into something where you can tell the computer which part to boot first. So if in my specific application, it was USB.FHD, flashable hard drive. Maybe it was FHD, flashable hard drive. And then it could be just HHD, USB.HHD. Try both of those. So it's going to look for a boot priority. You're just telling it's the computer saying, hey guy, which one of these things has Windows on it? And which order would you like me to boot them in? And you have to say, hey guy, I need you to boot from this thing. I don't want you to boot from the hard drive because there's nothing on the hard drive. So Mr. Computer, I need you to boot from this. So in your BIOS, you're going to have to tell it what to do. I'll have screenshots of that next. Oh, here comes the video of that. Enjoy. All right, now that you've seen the BIOS, the thing, the whole that, I just did this because I'm running a test rig over here. Once you're doing this, the screen's going to ask you, Microsoft is going to ask you, hey, what do you want to name your computer? Hey, what do you want to set things up? Hey, you want to add email addresses? You want to set the time? You're going to do all that. It's going to guide you step by step. This isn't that. You can figure that out. This was just the process of creating this. Because you need this, you don't know you need this until you read this. So you need this. It's complete. Put that in your bag of tricks. Don't worry about it. If your hard drive fails and you were lucky enough to have those files somewhere else, no big deal. If you just want to upgrade to that SSD, this is how you do it. I'll show you the other screen. We already showed you the other screen. This is me ending the video. Josh from Vulture Tech. Go create your Windows 10 backup installation USB champy. Sleep well at night knowing whatever may happen, you can put Windows on a fresh hard drive. Vulture Tech. See you for the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye now.